it's kind of difficult for them to make the students learn about molecules and all. But within the video, they get to show, so the students grab a lot. They can go home, leave the book aside, but use their imagination and just write. While talking with the students, I can understand that they don't even know what is this smart TV. What does the solar panel really do? This project will give them the awareness about the world, how it's going. With their work and their efforts, made a commitment within the students where 5 students will every morning try to give the plants some water. I can see the plants are also even growing, so it's really nice to see that. What motivates me is that seeing the students are happy and they show their smiling faces towards me, that motivates me to try to give more and more to the students.